What's up, guys? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. This morning we're over here at our sales center in Burlington, North Carolina at 2450 North Church Street, and I have got some big news for you guys. So Carolina Custom Homes has actually partnered with Liberty Sheds. So you ask why? So a lot of people are coming to us and they're buying a new house and they need a place to put things. They may or may not have a garage. But on top of a garage or a basement or whatever, you want that additional storage space for lawnmowers and stuff like that. So you can actually come here to us. We'll build your custom house. You can roll one of these storage sheds into the price, your overall package price. And if you're financing it, it is a no-brainer. Adding a storage building like this to your monthly payment is not going to move the needle that much, okay? So, you throw in a building and it's only going to raise your payment, very, very little. So it's got a lot of appeal. Again, we are a one-stop shop, so you're going to come here, build your dream house, get your shed to kind of match. As you can see, like we've got them set up, that white one's kind of matching our white house there. And then the blue one here is kind of going with our Sparta model there. So we have many different sizes, different features, colors, all that stuff. So let's start checking a few out here, and I'm going to go through a few high notes about these. Number one, let's talk about the exterior. So this is the LP Smart Siding for your exterior, on your exterior there. So this is not, they do offer vinyl, but typically they include the LP Smart Siding. When I say they, Liberty Sheds, okay? Metal roof is typically what they're gonna do as well. Again, they can do shingles, but the metal is highly recommended, just like the LP siding. Let's see here. So one thing Liberty Sheds is big about is the reinforced rod doors. So like one of the main problems with storage buildings over the years is the doors start to sag and you really can't open it and stuff like that. So Liberty Sheds does a really good job of making sure that doesn't happen, okay? Also wanted to point out the LP Tech Shield. So you've actually seen this in a lot of our homes. This is a radiant bearing heat sheathing that's gonna keep the inside of this thing much, much cooler and protect the things inside here, okay? And let's go to the next one, and I will continue to kind of hit on some stuff. So yeah, we have three here on display. We've got a big brochure guide. I've got two very informative pieces of literature that I will post at the end of this video, kind of outlining some of the things I'm talking about, what these things offer, or what Liberty Sheds offers. There's power, there's power packages, as far as like in this one, you're going to see outlets and switches. So, if you want to think about, having power ran out to one later on, you can go ahead and prep for that. This one could be almost used as a studio, like a little art studio, she shed type thing. Got your panel box there. All right, so another thing I want to talk about is the flooring system. This is very different from a lot of different other brands, but this is 3/4 inch legacy flooring with Gorilla Glue technology. And from what I understand, across the industry, that is about the best way you can build it, okay? So Liberty Sheds definitely does a few things a little bit different. And, I will say this, you can probably find a cheaper shed out there, but I will say, if you're comparing the specs, these Liberty Sheds can't be beat. All right, and let's check out this third one here. Again, I'll pop up some literature at the end of this video to kind of show you some different things. Again, different styles, layouts, sizes, finishes, packages, all that stuff, okay? All right. So again, we're at Carolina Custom Homes. I'm Shields with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and we now offer storage sheds through Liberty Sheds. It's just a really good idea. come in here, bundle it with the price of the home. It's not going to change the payment that much. And like I just kind of outlined, Liberty Sheds is definitely one of your premier, if not the premier, shed storage producer in America. So thank you guys, and see you next time. Thanks.